Good afternoon. Welcome to chocolate chip cookie tutorial video. I'm Alex and I'm joined with my friend Lauren here today.
Hi guys, I'm Lauren. I'm super excited to be here today. Now first, let's start with the list of ingredients that we'll need to start these chocolate chip cookies.
Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Our next step is going to be mixing the brown sugar and the white sugar together. Once those are mixed in, you want to add in your softened butter. What I like to do is to cut up the butter into cubes. I do that because it's easier to mix in small pieces of butter than it would be to mix in a big stick of butter. And this is what our dough should look like once the butter and the sugars are completely mixed together. Now our next step is to add our eggs. Be sure to add the eggs one at a time. Now that our eggs are fully mixed into the dough, you want to add your vanilla extract. Now the next step might seem weird, but it's actually very important to the cookie dough. So what you want to do is take 2 teaspoons of hot water, then mix it in with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we've added all of our wet ingredients together. So now it's time to add our dry ingredients to that wet mixture. All we're going to be adding is our 3 cups of all-purpose flour and our half teaspoon of salt. And now here comes the fun part. Add those chocolate chips in. I like to add them in just when I've added the second cup of flour, just because I find adding them in at the end is very hard to mix in.
Your mix should look like this.
Using a spoon, put your cookie dough down on a baking sheet and place them in your oven, and then don't forget to set your timer for 12 minutes.
Set up a cooling rack, and once the cookies have slightly cooled on the tray, transfer them over to the rack.
All that's left is to cook your cookies until they're golden brown, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.
Thank you for watching our chocolate chip cookie tutorial recipe. You can tune in next week when we show you how to make banana bread.